My name is Ellie Chabaya. I live in Derby and my background is nursing. Since I started Arsh's program, that's 6 months ago, I've managed to build my confidence. Before I met Arsh, I was really scared to call the agents. I didn't know what to say, but after I met him, I'm confident now to ask the questions. The first day I came to Arsh, I managed to get a deal and he helped me to sell that deal that same day. I was actually in tears. I couldn't believe, bearing in mind that was my first time to be involved in properties. I would recommend anyone to join the Ellie property and venture into properties.